Welcome. And this time, another error, like a misspelled word. Imagine you walk into a tattoo shop. You tell the artist, "My girlfriend name is Pinky. Please write Pinky." You are happy. You come home and look down. You shows to your girlfriend and seeing your tattoo of Rinky instead of Pinky. Your life messed up. No one can save you except in YAML Kubernetes. But sorry, that Kubernetes is not with you that time. So here I will and just will have a short pause. Here I will save and apply. You will see this error we already have in a session 1, but once again we have replicated this. So here when retrying current configuration of sources, resource may not be empty. Okay. Here name is blank. We have given a name, but name is blank. So you can identify that name has an issue via pod.yaml. Here you see names means here you should have a name field, not names. So I will remove name wq k apply -f pod is created. Now I'll delete this pod. Now instead of kind, I will this type of mistake most of the time happens and I because we are too fast like Michael Schumacher. We pod k pod.yaml unknown command pod sorry k apply validate pod yaml error validating kind not set. So here you will directly know that kind is not set. So just go to the kind and make it kind, not KNID, where pod.yaml. And now I will make it do post if you find some error message in comment, message and comment. Thanks so much for your love and support. I had everything right.